Hello everyone, my name is Neelam Sondhiya. Today's topic of today's topic from operating system is understanding system calls. What are system calls? System calls act as the crucial interface between user applications and the operating system kernel. They allow program to request essential services such as file operation, प्रोसेस कंट्रोल एंड कम्युनिकेशन जो सिस्टम कॉल्स है वो इंटरफेस के बिटवीन एप्लीकेशन और कर्नल के बीच कम्युनिकेशन करवाती है और दे अलाउ प्रोग्राम टू रिक्वेस्ट इनिशियल सर्विसेज सच एज program control, process control, communication, etc. etc. So, going to the next, what are system calls? Definition. System calls are programmed requests to the OS kernel to perform tasks that user applications cannot do directly due to privilege restrictions. Purpose क्या है? They provide control access to hardware resources and system services while maintaining security and stability. Example है file manipulation, process management, memory allocation, and device handling. Okay, going to the next going to the next topic is how system calls work on a user mod request. The program execute a system call instruction triggering a transition from user mode to kernel mode from privilege execution. Kernel mode processing. The operating system validate the request, execute needed service, and prepare results, returning to the user mode. After completion, control return to the user program along with any output or system codes. Okay, going to the next one. मैकेनिज्म फॉर इन्वोकिंग सिस्टम कॉल. क्या क्या मैकेनिज्म होते हैं जो सिस्टम कॉल को इन्वोक करते हैं? फर्स्ट वन इज सॉफ्टवेयर इंटरप्ट सिस्टम call instruction parameter passing. First one, software interrupt or trap instruction cause an immediate switch to the kernel and met call handle. System call instruction, a special CPU instruction designed explicitly for system calls optimize the switch and parameter passing. Parameter passing. Passing argument may involve register, stack, or memory depending on OS architecture. Okay. Types of system call. What are the type? First one is create process, terminate process, process synchronization, wait signal. So create process, initiate new processes and enabling masking in OS. Terminate process, end execution of process and release resources. Process synchronization, coordinate process to avoid conflict and deadlocks. Wait and signal, mechanism to manage process states and communications. Okay. Next one, types of system calls. So create, delete, read, write, and permission management. Okay, mm, there are the system calls communication and device management. First one is device management, memory management, and communication. Device management control and access hardware device by driving and buffer, allocate and release memory segments and virtual memory space in memory management. Communication establish channel for data exchange between the processes and systems. Okay. Key takeaways and next steps. System importance. They are initially safe for control application interaction with the hardware and OS resources. Understanding mechanism. Grabbing the user kernel transition clarifies how OS protects system integrity. Example, type further dive into system call category to understand OS capability and limitations. Okay, hand-on practice. Implement and trace system calls in various OS environment to reinforce learning. Okay, this is all about today. Thank you for the day.